Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix Discord "Sorry you have been blocked" error message. So let's begin. First that we can check is if our device is updated. To check this, just search in the search bar, check for updates, and then go ahead and click that. Try clicking check for updates. And if there are necessary updates, go ahead and install it. If the error message is still there, what we can also try is disabled Microsoft Defender Firewall. We just need to search for firewall in the search bar and click on firewall and network protection. So now, click on the main network and turn off the Microsoft Defender Firewall. Then, click yes. The third one we can try is if you're opening Discord in web browser. First, find the extension section, then click on Manage Extensions, and then remove any extensions that you think might be causing the problem. After that, you may need to delete your history of browsing data. And lastly, check if your web browser is updated. After you've did all that, it is most likely that the problem will be resolved. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.